Hello learners, welcome back once again. Today in this video we will see feelings and emotions. So basically we'll be seeing few vocabulary words of feelings and emotions and the Hindi vocabulary for the same. So learners, what are feelings? So feelings are the one which is, you can say, it will differ. Feelings are universal, but the way we express one's feelings, way we express one's emotions, it's a quite unique one. Like for an example, if I'm saying for me, I'm writing a paper, and how was the paper for me? It was difficult. Maybe for someone it will be easy. So feelings will differ person to person. So in this video, we will see the Hindi vocabulary, which will also help us to we can express emotional expression too. We can express without any limitation. So like just an example, difficult. How do we say? How do we communicate that I need like something which is difficult? How do I communicate the same? I can able to express that. If let's say you want to express your inner world, like your inner world, your inner voice, your feelings, you want to express someone in an understandable way, how will you express? That will be shown in this video. So we'll just start with the same now. Here with, so feelings and emotions. Feelings and emotions. So the first one you can see here is, you can just a second, I will just this one and show this one. The first one is happy. Happy means when we say I am happy, मैं खुश हूँ. I am happy. I am मैं हूँ. Happy, the word is, the vocabulary is खुश. मैं खुश हूँ. Sad. If I am saying he is sad, वह दुखी है. He means the person who is sad. वह, यह दुखी है. Or I will say I am sad. मैं दुखी हूँ. दुखी is the word for sad. Angry. Angry means गुस्सा. I am angry. मैं गुस्सा हूँ. मैं गुस्सा हूँ. मैं गुस्से में हूँ. Means the same. Angry means गुस्सा. So I am interlinking it with the vocabulary word. I am using the word in a sentence which will help you to know more easily. So same way we'll go for the fourth word over here, afraid. You can just see the same, afraid. Afraid means I am afraid of something. मैं भयभीत हूँ. भय, भय, भयभीत. Even afraid, fear. Fear means भय. Fear means this one, BHAY, भय. Okay, and afraid, भयभीत. Same meaning, भयभीत. भयभीत होना. मैं afraid हूँ means this one, I am afraid. मैं भयभीत हूँ. Joy. Joy, खुशी. So again learners, happy is खुश, whereas joy is खुशी. Both are different. So don't get confused. Happy means खुश. मैं खुश हूँ. I am happy. I am in joy. मैं खुशी में हूँ. मैं खुशी में हूँ. मैं means in. Then surprised. Surprised means हैरान. Surprised. I am really surprised. हैरान हूँ. Surprised. हैरान. Calm. Calm means I am calm. So I am feeling that I am calm now, which means feeling. मैं महसूस कर रही हूँ मैं अभी शांत हूँ. So which means I am feeling. That is my feeling. Calm, शांत. Alone. So you can relate with the same thing. I am alone. You are feeling or you are expressing the same emotional expression. So I am feeling I am alone. So which means मैं महसूस कर रही हूँ मैं अकेला हूँ. मैं अकेली हूँ. So अकेला will be for a singular masculine gender, whereas अकेली for a singular feminine gender. Then comes good. Same way you can relate the same. Good means अच्छा. You are expressing good, which means अच्छा. Bad means बुरा. Bad, बुरा. वह बुरा है. So he is bad. वह अच्छा है. He is good. She is good. She is bad. Same. Difficult. Like I gave you the example in the introduction. The paper was difficult. So the paper was difficult to one person. Not necessarily the same will be applied. Same applies to the other person. So difficult you can apply in this way with feelings and emotions. So difficult you can say here. Difficult. Mushkil. Katin. Both means the same. Both words are different but meaning is the same. Mushkil. पेपर मुश्किल था. पेपर कठिन था. सेम, जस्ट द ऑपोजिट ऑफ इट. पेपर वॉज ईजी. पेपर आसान था. पेपर आसान था. सो नाउ वी हैव रिलेटेड विद द vocabulary words English and Hindi. At the same time we saw the sentences too, the usage of the words in sentences both in English as well as in Hindi. So once again I will just read out the same. Happy, खुश. Sad, दुखी. Angry, गुस्सा. afraid, भयभीत, joy, खुशी, surprised, हैरान, calm, शांत, alone, alone can be अकेला or can be Akela is alone, but when we say that in a sentence, for singular masculine gender, it will be Akela. मैं अकेला हूँ, I am alone. But the same thing not apply for feminine. मैं अकेली हूँ, she will say, and not अकेला. So just make sure this one make the note of the same. Then good, अच्छा, bad, बुरा, difficult, मुश्किल, कठिन, easy, आसान. Thank you so much for watching the same. I hope you are able to understand with the same. Using the vocabulary words, you are able to frame out the sentences. So try by yourself to frame out as much sentences as you can. Thank you so much for watching the video.